Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating an olive glam eye makeup tutorial, so stay tuned to know how I created this look. I'm using Beauty Glazed mix and match palette. With a crease brush I will apply the shade called Auburn in my crease. With the same brush I will apply the shade called Cream above the previous color to make it look more blended. I'll be using Beauty Glazed Color Board palette olive color. With an angled shading brush, I will apply this color under my crease and the outer part of my eyelids. In this eye look, I'm mostly using Beauty Glazed Mix and Match palette. From the same palette, I will apply the shade called Apple. With a medium shading brush, I will apply this color on my eyelids. With a crease brush, I will apply the same olive color under my crease and the outer part of my eyelids to give it a more intense look. With a small defined brush, I will apply olive color underneath my lashes. With a small defined brush, I will apply this shade called Cream underneath my lashes to give it a more blended look. Now I'm applying Wet n Wild black kajal. Now I'm applying Lakme Insta eyeliner. With a small defined brush, I will apply highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. With a fan brush, I will apply highlighter underneath my brow bone. Now I'm applying Bob mascara in my lashes. This mascara is easily applicable, that's why I love it. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.